Ex-cop attacked and shot dead by gunmen in St. Anne, where he worked as a security guard. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man said to be an ex-policeman was shot and killed by unknown assailants in St. Anne on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Kenny Dawkins, a resident of Bamboo intersection of the parish. Reports are that at around 9:30 p.m., Dawkins was at an establishment where he worked as a security guard when two men entered and pulled their guns and opened gunfire, hitting him several times. The licensed firearm of the slain man was also stolen by the criminals, the police said in a report. The shooters then fled the location. Dawkins was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police investigation continues. A clear motive has not yet been established for the killing. However, the police theorize that his licensed firearm might have been the target. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.